Easy ways to convert live photos into regular photos. Duplicate as a still photo. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Locate and open the live photo you want to convert. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Duplicate from the available options. Tap Duplicate as still photo. A new copy of the image will be created. The duplicated version will be a regular photo with no motion effects. Turn off the live feature. Find and open the live photo you want to convert. Tap the live label in the top left corner. A menu will appear with live photo options. Select Live Off from the list. The motion effect will be removed instantly. Your photo will now behave like a standard still image. Convert through Edit option. Once you select the photo, tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. Select the Live Photos icon from the editing tools. Tap the Live button at the top to turn off the live effect. The motion and sound will be removed from the photo. Finally, tap Done to save changes. Save as Still Image using Notes app. Open the live photo in the Photos app. Tap the Share button in the bottom left corner. Select Notes from the sharing options. Tap Save in the top right corner. Now, open the Notes app. Open the note containing the saved photo. Tap the Share icon in the top right corner. Select the down arrow to view more options. Tap Save Image. The photo will be saved to your Photos app. And that's it.